Welcome, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of home decor and showing you some incredible ways to transform your space without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to spruce up your living room, bedroom, or even your workspace, we've got you covered with these easy and affordable DIY projects. Let's get started. Upcycled furniture. Have an old piece of furniture that's seen better days? Don't toss it out just yet. With a little creativity and some paint, you can completely transform it into something new and stylish. Upcycled coffee table. Materials needed: sandpaper, paint or stain, paintbrushes, decorative knobs, optional. Step number 1. Sand down the surface of the table to create a smooth finish. Step number 2. Apply a fresh coat of paint or stain in the color of your choice. Step number 3. For added flair, consider replacing the knobs or handles with something more decorative. Step number 4. Voila! You have a brand new coffee table that's unique and personalized. Wall art and decor. Blank walls are like blank canvases just waiting to be filled with creativity. Let's explore some DIY ideas to add personality and charm to your walls. Gallery wall on a budget. Materials needed: frames, old or new, artwork, can be prints, photos, or even fabric, hammer, nails, level. Step number 1. Gather frames of different sizes and shapes from thrift stores or your own collection. Step number 2. Print out your favorite photos or artwork, or use fabric scraps for a unique touch. Step number 3. Arrange the frames on the floor to create a layout that you like. Step number 4. Hang the frames on the wall using nails and a level to ensure they're straight. Step number 5. Fill each frame with your chosen artwork and step back to admire your personalized gallery wall. Functional DIY projects. Let's not forget about functionality. DIY projects can also help you stay organized and efficient in your space. Desk organizer from recycled materials. Materials needed: cardboard boxes, like cereal boxes, wrapping paper or fabric, glue, scissors. Step number 1. Cut the cardboard boxes to the desired size and shape for each compartment of your organizer. Step number 2. Cover the cardboard with wrapping paper or fabric using glue to create a more aesthetic look. Step number 3. Arrange the compartments as needed for storing pens, paper clips, and other office supplies. Step number 4. Place it on your desk and enjoy a clutter-free workspace. And there you have it, guys. With just a few simple materials and a bit of creativity, you can completely transform your home decor and create a space that reflects your personal style. Whether you try upcycling old furniture, creating a stunning gallery wall, or organizing your desk with homemade storage solutions, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know which DIY project you're excited to try. Until next time, happy crafting! Thanks for watching! Remember to subscribe for more DIY inspiration and creative ideas. Follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes sneak peeks. See you next time!